Hello, everybody. Welcome to the last Hands-on Agile webinar of 2019. I'm your host, Stefan Wolpes. Today, we will talk about one of the essential opportunities for inspection and adaptation, the Sprint Retrospective. Let's start with a look at the manual. According to the Scrum Guide, the retrospective is an opportunity for the Scrum team to inspect itself and create a plan for improvements for the next sprint. The Sprint Retrospective occurs after the sprint review and prior to the next sprint planning. The Scrum Master participates as a peer member in the meeting from the accountability over the Scrum process point of view. The Scrum Master is not merely facilitating the retrospective. The purpose of the retrospective is to inspect how the last sprint went with regards to people, relationships, process, and tools, to identify and order major items that went well and potential improvements, and to create a plan for implementing improvements to the way the Scrum team does its work. The Scrum Master encourages the Scrum team to improve within the Scrum framework. For example, how to increase product quality by improving work processes or adapting the definition of done, if appropriate, and not in conflict with the product or the organizational standards. So, this is important to stress. There is no rogue Scrum. Improvements follow the Scrum Guide and are in compliance with organizational standards. Although improvements may be implemented at any time, the Sprint Retrospective provides a formal opportunity to focus on inspection and adaptation. As Jocko Willink tends to say, discipline equals freedom, reducing the cognitive load by having a rule. And this is the main purpose of the retrospective. Of course, if you can change something on the spot, you will not wait 2 weeks or 4 weeks to voice your opinion and actually make a suggestion. So let's start with the Sprint Retrospective anti-patterns of the Scrum Master.